It really does feel good, honestly. Let me show you. Yes, you can actually see the landing gear. Can you see it? Here we go again with another outdoor test, and it's the same drone from Yifei. Let's see what kind of changes there are this time. Alright, I've now switched to a flat mount. I adjusted the drone arm a bit, but after doing that I realized that this part of the drone isn't completely horizontal. It's got a bit of a straight mount feel. I measured it, and it's still flat, but not by much, almost like a straight mount. The main thing I want to check now is whether the O3 camera can capture the landing gear in flat mount mode, and also the GPS. You can see the custom single bracket I designed, which is mounted on the nose. Since we're using the O3, we're not attaching a mouth mount, so putting it on the nose is the best option. Now, let's see how fast it can acquire satellites. Enough talk, let's get started. Hey, CC, just as expected, let me just take off and show you guys directly. Hey, what's going on here? I just activated rescue mode. Okay, now there are 15 stars. Did you see that? Instantly. I just searched for less than half a minute, about 20 seconds, and suddenly there are 15 flying stars. Hey, now 18. See, the more I search, the more I find, right? This is all about placement. And the cable, I'm also using the original one from the manufacturer. Now let's take a look at this flat plug. Is there any difference in how it feels? Hey. Oh, wait, just a second. It truly does feel quite a bit different in the hand. But just now, I was actually flying a completely different drone, so I really didn't do a direct comparison at all. I flew this particular one a full day later. Honestly, the overall feel is indeed noticeably a bit better when moving the control sticks, especially the precise sense of control. But why is the battery voltage suddenly so incredibly low? Did it misidentify the battery? This is 14 volts, so why is it showing such a low voltage? It seems like the battery was misidentified. Let's not worry about the battery recognition. It's a battery issue. Maybe I didn't set something correctly on one side or the other, but whatever. Let's just fly and keep an eye on the voltage. The voltage itself should be fine. Wait, that's not right. Each cell is showing 3.4 volts, so it's just a voltage recognition error. The per cell voltage is estimated. It's just an estimate. Just look at the 23 volts down here. That's the actual value. Forget about it, let's just focus on the flying experience and see how it feels in the hand. The main thing is that the GPS is working fine. So, how should I put this? For future kits, I suggest that manufacturers avoid putting the GPS at the tail, especially for vertical takeoff aircraft. But as for the analog model I tested earlier, it's also possible for it to break, so nothing is certain. Why did it misread the voltage for me? Whatever, it's still early anyway. Oh, wow, it really does feel good in the hand. And then, let me show you, you can actually see the landing gear. Can you see it? You really can see the landing gear. Can you see it? It's not very obvious on my end, but when I tilt it toward the ground, can you see it? Right in the middle of the screen on both sides. Let me change the angle. A bit. From this angle, you can see the ginger leaves when you're not facing the sunlight, but they're not very obvious. The ginger leaves are a bit reflective because they're turned, right? This does affect filming. So if you care about the feel in the hand or about filming, it's up to you. If you break it, that's on you. The significance of this frame is right here. It's about filming or about the feel in the hand, right? For those who like to practice flower flying, you can decide for yourselves. As for the purpose of making this frame, some people have asked why this frame isn't designed to transform without removing screws, but that kind of technology might be a bit too advanced, maybe a bit too high level. I'm not going to try 22.5 volts anymore. I'm worried I might have set the voltage wrong. It should be fine, it should be fine. Let's bring it down. This drone is perfect. No choice but to do a second test. The GPS is also locked onto more than 20 satellites. No problem, all good, all good. Xiaobasa. It's not making any noise now. It's not making any noise. Let's disconnect the power first. The battery should be fine. It's still the same battery, see? The battery shouldn't be an issue. Alright, that's it. This drone is also absolutely perfect. To sum up, the issues are that the antenna needs to be secured and the GPS needs to be adjusted. Everything else is done. This drone might become one of my productivity tools in the future. Okay, that's all for today. Bye-bye.